Hello everyone, I'm Laura Gardner and I'm excited to get to know everybody and work with everybody in the class. Um, took this elective to learn about children and families at risk because I work as a multi-systemic therapist, so I work with lots of families and children in need. A lot of the kids that I've worked with, even family members, have had significant amounts of some form of abuse, whether it's sexual, physical, emotional abuse. Um, and it causes a lot of concerns and negative behaviors. And it's important to learn how to work with various systems, whether it's probation, school staff, helping them understand what child abuse or trauma could do to a child and how it leads to their negative behaviors in school, such as aggression, shutting down, not interacting well with others. Um, I've struggled a lot in the area that I'm currently living in. Um, a lot of the teachers don't have the understanding, and it's very important to learn new ways to help other people understand these concerns within families. Um, Child abuse definitely is something that's very difficult to hear at times in the various stories, but it does make me uh, feel like I've helped the individual, that they feel comfortable in addressing some of these issues with me. It's a very difficult topic for everyone. I don't think that hearing anything gets easier. I mean, you know how to do self care and take care of yourself, but it's still difficult to hear and see how child abuse impacts children along with various family members and any other systems. Um, so I hope to learn as much as I can and be able to share this information with my families and other staff members on how to work with children and families that are at risk. Thank you.